Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to show what your Etsy item really looks like? Adding photos or videos to your Etsy review helps other buyers see real results and gives seller valuable feedback. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a photo or video to an Etsy review in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, media can be added only during review. It works on iPhone, Android, and desktop. Photos and short videos supported. Item must be eligible for review. Okay, so now I want you to open Etsy app or the desktop website. Okay, so go to Etsy.com, for example, tap sign in and click profile icon and then tap purchases and reviews. Your order list appears. Okay, as you can see here, order updates are waiting. So you will have here your orders. Okay, so now find the delivered order. Okay, and tap leave a review. Okay, review editor opens. So now add picture or video. So tap add photo or camera icon. Choose take new photo or video, upload from gallery. Okay, and select media. Confirm upload, and preview appears in review. You can usually upload multiple images, okay, and stuff. You can write review and rating, so select star rating and write your review text. You can show product use, packaging, size comparison, so this is optional, okay. And submit reviews, tap post review. Review publishes with media attached, so video and photos become visible publicly. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.